If you're thinking about buying or selling a home, there's a hidden crisis that could ruin your plans. Climate change is hitting insurance companies hard, and they're passing those costs straight to you. Severe weather, think hurricanes, floods, wildfires, getting more intense and frequent, and the damages are adding up. Take Hurricane Helene, for example. It just tore through Florida and North Carolina, leaving a massive destruction. Estimates of damage anywhere between $15 billion and a jaw-dropping $160 billion. That's billion with a B. And as I'm recording this, Hurricane Milton is bearing down on the west coast of Florida. Insurance companies can't keep up with these huge losses, so they're making some tough calls. Some have stopped writing new insurance policies in high-risk areas, and others are just pulling out of certain markets entirely. And guess who's paying the price? Homeowners like you. In just 2 years, the average homeowner's insurance premium has shot up nearly 20%, and it's expected to climb even higher in 2024. That means if you pay $23.77 for insurance this year, you could be looking at $2,500 or more next year. So what does this mean if you're buying or selling a home? Well, it used to be that getting home insurance was something you did right before closing on a house. Easy, right? Not anymore. Now it's one of the first things buyers check, especially if they're shopping in areas prone to natural disasters. No insurance, no mortgage. It's that simple. For sellers, this is also a major headache. High insurance premiums and fewer options mean homes in certain areas are taking longer to sell, or worse, not selling at all. That's a big problem in places like Florida and California, where insurers are pulling out left and right. Buyers are getting scared off and homes are sitting on the market longer. But wait, there's more. Rising insurance costs aren't just hitting homeowners with single-family homes. Condos are getting hit too, and much worse. Many condo associations are cutting back on coverage to avoid raising fees. The problem? Without enough coverage, some condos can't even qualify for a mortgage for a buyer, which means fewer buyers. And that's bad news for everyone. And here's the real kicker. Some homeowners are skipping insurance entirely. We call it going naked. Sounds risky, right? Well, it is. And with premiums rising so fast, 1 in 13 homeowners in the U.S. is now uninsured. That's over 6 million homes without proper coverage. If disaster strikes, those homeowners could lose everything. And guess what? Most people don't even realize that regular home insurance doesn't cover flood damage, which is a separate policy. If you're in a flood-prone area, that's a gamble you don't want to take. So what is the takeaway? Whether you're buying, selling, or already own a home, you've got to take the insurance situation seriously. Shop around for the best policy, but be prepared for those rates to keep climbing, especially in high-risk areas. This crisis isn't going away anytime soon, and it could be the deciding factor in your next home purchase. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the ever-evolving housing market.